vain pride. Our great prophet was at a party surrounded by his followers. During this time, a Muslim who was a poor man in rags entered and found a place by chance next to a rich man and sat there. The rich man gathered his clothes and shrieked away from the poor man. The Holy Prophet, who was observing that man's behavior, remarked, "O man, were you afraid that something from the poor man might affect you adversely?" The rich man said, "Oh no, oh the Messenger of God, no." The Prophet said, "Were you afraid that he might get some of your wealth?" "No, I was not. No, no." "Were you afraid that your clothes might get dirty?" "Never, never, O the Prophet of God, it was not so." "Then why did you wince and retreat?" The rich man said, "I confess that I have made a mistake. I'm ready to give half of my wealth to this Muslim brother so as to be forgiven for the wrong I've done him." The poor man said, "But I am not going to accept it." Some people wondered, "You are not ready? But why? Why?" The Prophet said, "What is the reason for refusing it?" The poor man said, "Because I'm afraid that one day I might become a snob and behave similarly as he did with a Muslim brother. Yes, for this reason I refuse to accept it."